Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set administrator password in BIOS on RAZER Blade 15. Administrator password will lock the access to BIOS without a password, and to set it you need to be in the BIOS, which if you don't know how to enter, there is a video on our channel on how to enter BIOS on RAZER Blade 15, and once that's done, go to security, then find administrator password. You can set it, so let's enter the new password. Now you need to confirm it and click on enter, and now my administrator password was set, so it will be always required whenever I enter BIOS. You can also instead set user password. This password will be required whenever you turn on the computer, and without it you will not proceed to boot any system. So you can choose either of those. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.